Hi party people. We're gonna set up this lovely chicken coop that we got from Petsfit, and it's gonna be for the baby chicks while they're, growing up to be big enough to be integrated with the bigger chickens. They're 3 weeks old now, so we'll probably keep them in here until they're like 2 or 3 months old, but come along, we're going to put it together. Probably do a little time lapse. I'll stop if we need to for any important steps, and then of course I will show the finished product and us putting the chicks in there. Can't wait. It's gonna be so satisfying. Also, if you're interested in this little coop, I have it linked on our Amazon storefront. And it's pretty cheap given the quality and cuteness. So check it out. Okay, wow, I kind of broke a sweat unpacking that, but the instructions are pretty detailed and all of the pieces, parts are labeled. So first we're gonna connect 2 and 3, which are right here. And all the tools are required. So I just wanted to kind of show that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So I think we're gonna just get back to time lapsing. So come along. All right, she's all done. Look at how perfect it is. And it's pretty sturdy. Normally prefab coops are like not the best quality. And I don't know if you can see the big chickens, but of course they had to come over here to check it out. But look, the little nesting box thing, little stand for that, little locking mechanism for ventilation. And then we got this little door here. Isn't it perfect? I love it. Stay tuned and we'll get the chicks popped in there. They're gonna love it. Oh, one more feature I forgot to show. The inside door, little roost in there. And then there's the nesting boxes, so I'll have to put some bedding in there. And then there's also that roost in the run. Isn't it perfect? I freaking love it.